Hi guys and welcome to InstaSwap exchange. This is a tutorial on how to buy Aave in some simple steps. Exchanging your crypto has never been easier. Beforehand, let's take a closer look on Aave website. Aave platform is a decentralized lending protocol with a non-custodial liquidity protocol. The founder and CEO of Aave is Stani Kulchov, with notable experience in the Ethereum space. As it may look logical, Aave is running on the Ethereum blockchain. Aave also means ghost in Finnish, and that wants to indicate the transparency that wants to offer to its users. Aave first came up as ETH Lend in 2017 with the purpose to match lenders with the borrowers. The two problems that came up was the right timing to match the lenders and the borrowers. The other was the liquidity that the platform demanded to work properly. As a result, Aave was launched anew at the beginning of 2020. The most significant change that affected the functionality with the use of smart contracts technology. Automatization and the peer-to-smart contract lending method impacted the project positively. The Aave native token, also named Aave, is used as a medium for the borrowing and lending procedure. It supports the platform and is taking part in the voting and decision process. Also, the token can be staked to offer security to the user, and the participant to this work is earning rewards in Aave token. Now, we will show you how you can exchange your crypto in a few simple steps to Aave token. Start by selecting the currency that you want to exchange at the You Send section. Then select Aave as the currency you want to receive at the You Get section. Our system will show you instantly the best available exchange rate. Now, simply enter the amount that you wish to exchange. You will be given an indication of how many coins you will receive. Press Swap Now, and you will be forwarded to the next step. Now, enter the receiving wallet address that you wish to receive your coins, as well as the refund wallet address that you will be sending the funds from. Enter your email address in order to verify your transaction by entering the 4-digit code that you will receive after you press Continue. Make sure that your cryptocurrency wallet addresses are correct and simply accept the terms and conditions and AML/KYC policy and press Continue. Make sure that you are not a robot to continue. Enter the verification code that you received in your email address. If you haven't received the confirmation code within minutes, make sure to check your junk/spam folder and press Continue. Send your funds to the generated address by copying the wallet or by scanning the QR code and wait for your coins to arrive. While we expect your funds, our system will detect your deposit and await for the required confirmations. Next, our service will exchange your coins and send you your desired currency to your provided receiving wallet address. And that was it. Your transaction has been successfully completed. For any questions or further support, do not hesitate to contact us at support@instaswap.io. Thanks for using our service. We are always looking forward to see you on instaswap.io.